going to have to give Anker credit for this design because this is pretty cool. So this is a Anker micro USB. It's from their Powerline series, and if you can see that, it's a 6-foot cable, micro USB cable. I know now everybody's using USB-C, but I bought these because I have a pair of these JBL, I think they called Live 220, they're wireless Bluetooth, wireless/Bluetooth, what do you want to call them? They are still running, JBL is still running their charging system on micro USB, which, you know, that's a whole different discussion as to why they haven't switched to USB-C yet like everybody else has, but that's neither here nor there. That's what I want to show you guys. So packaging outside is pretty nondescript. It's, you know, thank you for your purchase. If you have any problems, contact us. Here's a little bit about us. 10 million satisfied customers. All the regulatory information on the back. So the cable is 6 foot long, gray Powerline Plus micro USB cable. And there's the part number. If I can find it, I'll put the link in the description to Amazon. Not sponsored. I just like this cable. I always use Ankers if I can get away with it because they seem to hold the best. And they seem to last the longest. Look at that. It looks like an eyeglass case. That's how they sent it. So, and this is, if you can see it, it's a little magnetic case, soft touch. It's not leather. It's some, like, maybe denim or something, some light cotton material. There's your cable. So obviously it wasn't just thrown in like that. I've used it a few times since. But there's a loop here that the cable was in when I purchased it. This is not Velcro, so I can't take it apart and put the cable back in correctly. It's a little harder to do. But put the cable back in it, close it up, and store it, which is pretty nice. I mean, I could probably use this for like a pair of eyeglasses or something. It's not like it's a throwaway item. This is one of their, there's the cable itself. That is, they say gray, I guess gray silver. Micro USB, 6-footer, and it's one of those braided cables. It's part of the reason I always go for the Ankers is they've always got high quality material. The cables will last me, you know, a year and a half, when the ones that come with the product sometimes don't last me for 3 months. You know, they get twisted, they get bent, they get broken. But now this is Amazon. This is an Amazon purchase, so you're talking 12, 13 bucks, I think, for this cable. And it'll probably last me, like I said, probably a year or two. Just all depends. Of course, it also depends on if I keep the headphones out long, because this is my last micro USB item. So, yeah, just a quick short. I thought that was pretty neat. I'll see if I can put a link in the description below to this cable, and hopefully when if you buy one, they send it to you. It has that same magnetic, and there actually you can see the magnets there. Same magnetic reusable flip case like this one had. Thanks for watching.